Good day to you, mate. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook page. Enjoy the video.
In this video, we will discuss Buoyant Smoke Signal, or orange smoke signal, and its requirements in SOLAS regulation and LSA Code. Procedure on how to use the buoyant smoke signal, maintenance, and disposal of pyrotechnics will be discussed as well. What is the buoyant smoke signal? The buoyant smoke signal is a type of pyrotechnics. This pyrotechnic equipment is held in a compact container with a buoyant nature, so that it can float on the water surface to signal distress situations. Mostly for use by the day, this can indicate the position of distress with the bright orange smoke, as well as for determining the wind direction for rescue. Here is the sample procedure on how to use the Comet buoyant smoke signal.
The Comet 3-minute orange smoke is a daylight-only distress alerting signal, position marker and wind direction indicator for SAR helicopter pilots. It is normally deployed from a life raft. Remove the plastic cap and, pointing the top away from your body, pull the tab firmly away from the canister. Keep your hand away from the hot end and throw the live smoke overboard immediately. After a 2-second delay, a dense, highly visible orange smoke will be emitted for a minimum of 3 minutes, while the canister floats on the water's surface. SOLAS requires 2 fitted to each life raft.
What are the requirements of buoyant smoke signal? Buoyant smoke signals. The buoyant smoke signal shall be contained in a water-resistant casing, not ignite explosively when used in accordance with the manufacturer's operating instructions, and have a brief instructions or diagrams clearly illustrating the use of the buoyant smoke signal printed on its casing. The buoyant smoke signal shall emit smoke of a highly visible color at a uniform rate for a period of not less than 3 minutes when floating in calm water. Not emit any flame during the entire smoke emission time. Not be swamped in a seaway, and continue to emit smoke when submerged in water for a period of 10 seconds under 100 millimeters of water. That's all for buoyant smoke signal, and we will now discuss on the maintenance and disposal of pyrotechnics. All pyrotechnics must be kept in safe storage with the cases properly shut. This is especially important after safety brief to the personnel on board with regard to pyrotechnics usage. Keep flares away from fuel or combustibles, and store them in an accessible dry place. Carry out maintenance work such as cleaning, expiry date check, etc. weekly as well as monthly, as per the LSA maintenance schedule of the ship as instructed under the company's ISM requirements. In case of expiry of the pyrotechnics out at sea, hold on to them for disposal to an authorized entity once in port. Do not throw them out at sea or use them after expiry, being a product that produces an exothermic. Usage after expiry can be risky. Okay mate, that's all for this video. I hope this gives you a piece of information, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, mate, and if you like the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell button to keep updated in my upcoming videos.